Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to cook Seitan loaf. If you don't know, it's a very popular vegan/vegetarian substitute for meat, and it's used in many dishes to provide texture and structure. You can make Seitan loaf just from two ingredients, using wheat gluten and some kind of liquid. In our case, I'm going to use vegetable stock or broth. And all the other ingredients, they're just for flavoring and for adding nutritional benefit. As you know or don't know, Seitan loaf is very high in protein. It's basically pure protein, and but it's important to understand that it's not complete protein. It's very low in lysine amino acid. That's why we will add some tomato paste and tahini paste and soy sauce. Let's move on to the actual recipe. For one small Seitan loaf, you will need 1 1/4 cups of vital wheat gluten, be careful, it's very dusty, 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1.5 tablespoons of almond flour, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, half a cup of vegetable stock, one and a half tablespoons of soy sauce, one and a half tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of tahini paste. Okay, now that all the ingredients are inside, we can move on to the mixer and mix it better and develop gluten as much as we want. You can mix all the ingredients by hand, but I prefer to use a standing mixer to start the process. It's just easier and faster. In order to develop the structure in your end product, you want to develop gluten. And one of the main factors in developing gluten is the mixing process. So you want really to mix it for a long time. That's why stand mixer is better, but you can use it by hand also. Okay, after using the stand mixer, we can mix it now by hand, just to form a shape for the future loaf. If you find that it's too dry, just add some water. Okay, once your loaf formed some kind of shape, the one that you desire, you need to rest it for half an hour approximately in room temperature. Make sure that it's sealed wherever you rest it, no oxygen. So I put it in a container like this, 30 minutes. Once the loaf is well rested, we will cook it on a stove top using poaching method. And this is our poaching liquid preparation. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of miso paste, about 1/3 of a cup of soy sauce, and 2 to 2.5 cups of vegetable stock. our Seitan loaf is finally ready. We're gonna cool it down on the rack for maybe half an hour or so. And afterwards we can use it for many beautiful and tasty dishes.